What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. Out here at Lake Clinton today, right by the marina. Right here, there's a little cove that comes over here. I can see a bunch of action already. We got a couple different species we're gonna be targeting today. We got some catfish charlies we're gonna throw around for some catfish, and then we have crankbaits and little jigs and stuff like that. We're gonna see if we can find some bass or some crappie because it's fall time. I know they're out hunting, so we're gonna see if we can find them. Let's go. Got one. Hey, cat. Yes, sir. Little bass. Oh, till shit went through my finger. Damn it. That's the first fish though. Just a little bass. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can see all of this action out here in this little cove right now, but there are fish busting like literally all over this entire cove. Another one right here. Just a little guy. Oh, this is a green sunfish. That's crazy. Got the shape of a bass. Thought it was a little bass at first. He took it right as it was coming out the water. Fish number 2. Let's go. Right after I caught those 2, I haven't got any more bites, so I'm gonna try this little black and pink curly tail. Got one. Oh, that one was good too. Are you kidding me? Got one. Oh, this one feels decent too. It is. What is this? Oh, striper, wiper, something. Wiper, I think. Go, fish number 3 finally. Just a small little wiper. Yes, sir. He smacked it though. Them things fight like they're way bigger. Got one. Oh, shit. This feels good. What is this? Oh my God. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? What? Look at this walleye, y'all. What? Are you kidding me right now? Let me get this hook out, y'all. Eddie's going on a stringer, baby. There we go. Get my grippers because these puppies have teeth. There we go. Yes, sir. What? That is crazy. I gotta get a weight on that. This is definitely a PB for me. Like by a lot. See that? 1.95 pounds, baby. Almost a 2-pounder. That is crazy. Sorry, buddy, but you're going on a stringer because you guys taste good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna call it a day there. It's gone dark out here, so I'm gonna get out of here. Great little evening though. I was only out for about an hour, a little over an hour. I caught 4 fish, 4 different species. Caught a bass, green sunfish, striped bass or wiper, and then a walleye. And it's a PB walleye too. 1.95 pounds, almost 2 pounds. That's a PB for me. That's way bigger than anything that I've ever caught. So heck of an evening, if I say so myself. But yeah, I appreciate y'all tuning in tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.